In this tutorial, I will show you how you can convert a Word document into a PDF file. Now, it is very simple. As you can see, I have my 3-page resume right here, in which I want to convert it into a PDF document. Now, I will show you two ways in which you can do that. The first one is you will, on the left, right here, click on File. After that, you will hit Save As. You will select the name of the file. I will, for example, type in test. Below, you will type in its format, as in PDF. There you go. Now you will select wherever you want to save it, and then click Save. Now, the second method in which you can convert this Word document into a PDF file is you, on the left up here, click File, scroll down to Export. After that, you will see this box where it says Create PDF. You will click it, and then you will name it whatever you want. For example, I will type in PDF file. You will select its format. As you can see, it is already in PDF, and then click wherever you want to save it, and then click Publish. And there you go. Now you have a PDF document.